Let's talk a little bit about equity, and a lot is happening. We live in extremely volatile times. While we've seen some pickup in the markets in the last couple of weeks, but overall we are still way off the highs that we saw. What is the risk reward scenario when it comes to investing in equity from an investor's perspective? Because many investors, we understand, have panicked, especially when the first sharp fall happened. What is the risk reward scenario when it comes to investing in equity?
No, the point in time that we are speaking about, we have seen that, sometime back, the Nifty kind of bottomed out at 7,600 kind of numbers. And then we've seen like a very sharp 20% bounce back. Now, I won't be surprised if there are further cuts in the market, in the sense that, uh, there's no reason to believe that this is done and now we are going to go one way up. So I would say that, while 30-35% lower than the recent highs, and 40, 50, 60% cuts in some of the leading companies in the country, that would definitely make this an attractive scenario. That would definitely put the risk reward equation clearly in front of investors, in favor of investors. But at the same time, I would say that there is still another 3 to 4 months, because this particular lockdown and what is the impact on the economy and the corporate performance, there is no way for us to accurately know unless they give us the first quarter results of FY21. And that will happen only in July and August. So I think that there is varying types of news flow. There is a lot of data yet to be ascertained and learned about. And from that perspective, I wouldn't take this particular upswing, I wouldn't take it for granted, and I wouldn't extrapolate it forward. I would say that the equation is in favor of investors right now, but at the same time, they should wait to actualize it, and maybe they should spread their investments over the next 3 to 4 months.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.